Terrific email marketing ideas to jumpstart your business by Matt Davis, dvgpro.com. If you're new to our YouTube channel, welcome. Our goal is to provide useful information and tools to help you grow your business. Is your business having trouble getting the word out about your company? Marketing with email is a great way to do it. Marketing with an email campaign is a proven method of successfully communicating with your clientele. This video offers several strategies and techniques to help ensure that your business's email promoting campaign will be effective. Get personal. Make your emails as personal as you can. As with all other marketing techniques, a customer is more likely to engage in a business transaction with you once you establish a personal connection with them. For instance, if you're aware of the reason a customer signed up to receive emails in the first place, be sure to include that reason in your email. If it feels more like a formal letter to them, they'll likely delete it. Including their first name in an email is a simple way to personalize. Communication is key. Tell them exactly what kinds of emails they'll be getting and when they'll be receiving them. This allows new subscribers to be aware of your frequency and content. Send your subscribers happy birthday emails. Include an optional field for customers to opt in so that they can receive a birthday wish. This simple step will make customers feel like you care about them, especially if your greeting has a coupon included with it. Email marketing will fail unless you give your customers an incentive to read it. Give them a persuasive reason to conduct business with you. Getting permission. Always obtain permission before beginning contact via email marketing. Unwanted emails qualify as spam and they will be deleted. You could also be in violation of your ISP's policies if you send out mass emails to customers who do not choose to receive them. It is absolutely essential that you have individuals' permissions before adding them. If you avoid doing this, customers will think that you are a spammer and throw your communications in the trash. Your email provider may suspend your account if they receive numerous complaints being filed by consumers. Tip: do not send emails encouraging people to buy now. This tactic will eventually backfire. Test variations of your subject line via A/B testing method. This provides a simple way of seeing which subject lines garner higher open rates and which ones are simply ignored. Think twice before you hit send. Put information that is useful in your emails and avoid only including information that makes a sale. Give your subscribers special articles, things that they may not find on your website. Only send emails that contain useful information. Customers will unsubscribe if you bombard them with useless information. Avoid sending them long-winded emails that come across as sales pitches in order to avoid insulting their intelligence or losing their confidence in you. Your mailing should read like a newsletter, providing important bits of information about the industry or business itself. People will not find your sales pitches interesting, and this may turn off many potential customers. While your messages might be beneficial to you as a selling medium, it is important that you provide interesting information to your customer base. Try giving useful information in your emails, such as clever new ways to use a product or a special promotion. Once you have a design that you deem perfect on your computer, test it across all browsers, email clients, including Linux. After you have a few people read your email, encourage them to spread the word to people they know. This is an organic way to grow your business. Marketing campaigns. Make your marketing campaigns mesh with various special events. Plan for these occasions ahead of time. Develop specific marketing campaigns for significant retail holidays, such as Valentine's Day, Easter, and other important dates. You should be able to get better sales by marketing in the slower periods of the year. Avoid sending out important marketing messages too close to major holidays. Many people will never even see your email because they will not be near their offices or their computers. Tip: use active and passive forms of feedback to improve your email-based campaigns. Active feedback means things like customer opinions or suggestions. You can follow up with your customers by sending out a coupon for future purchases. Make sure to use a link that directs them to the coupon. Give your customers an example or two of the potential savings on their purchase. When it comes to planning out your email campaigns, use a program like Aweber to help you take your time back. Aweber uses hundreds of features designed for small businesses to make email marketing simple for you. Try Aweber out for free for 30 days with the link in the description. It's all about the details. Keep subject lines to a minimum of 60 characters long. Many email clients will often truncate the subject line to this length if they go over. Some email clients are simply unable to display longer text. Regardless of this, your subscribers will only need to see that many letters in order to make a judgment as to whether your message is worth keeping. Also, your email should use the same logo and company logo. And the font you choose should be easy to read. Tip: when designing your email materials, try not to overuse graphics. Many email clients don't allow images to load, so sending a highly graphic-dependent message is useless, as many of your subscribers will be unable to make sense of it. If you're attempting to get the word out about your company, marketing with email is a great way to do it. Use the ideas here to make all your marketing plans better than the others, and you will also find new and exciting ways to make emails new and relevant to your customers. If you would like to learn more about email marketing, we highly recommend this free course, Your Daily Dose of List Growth. Learn how you can grow your email list in just 10 minutes a day for 6 days with the link in the description. To read this content as an article, head over to dvgpro.com. Also, subscribe to our newsletter to get more written content like this. Link in the description. Did you learn something new in this video? If you did, comment down below. Also, if you haven't, make sure to subscribe and smash the like button. Not only does your interactions help us tailor content for you, but it also tells the YouTube algorithm about our content. Thank you for watching.